Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Open Windows Terminal as administrator so changes apply system-wide, and verify the terminal version is recent. Older builds lack context menu support. Once done, enable developer mode only if your account prevents registry edits, because that avoids UAC roadblocks. Next, export current terminal settings as a JSON backup. This preserves profiles and lets you revert quickly. Now save that file to a known folder before continuing with registry additions. Now you perform the core registry edits to add the right-click menu. Create a reg file or use regedit to add keys under hkcr /directory/background/shell, naming the verb clearly, for example. Open in Windows Terminal. Then add a command subkey with the default value set to the full path of WT. exe plus arguments like d%v so the working folder opens. Make sure to choose HKCU for per user or HKLM for system-wide. Set an icon value if you want a custom glyph. Save and import the. Finish by applying the changes and verifying behavior. Restart Explorer or sign out and back in so the new menu appears. Windows caches context menus. Test opening terminal from folder background and from selected folder paths. If it doesn't appear, make sure the WT exe path is correct and that you edited the right registry hive, WoW 6432 node VS native. As a quick fix, re-import your earlier backup or remove the keys you added, then retry with corrected values. This preserves system stability and avoids lingering misconfigurations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.